Hello friends. So for today we're gonna make another easy meal for two people. I have pizza crust that I purchased from Walmart, but of course you can make your own pizza dough. It's easy. Just I didn't have time to do it. That's fine sometimes. I have pizza sauce. I have green bell pepper cut it in small pieces. I have some shredded mozzarella, some turkey breast that is cut in pieces, some sausage or salami or pepperoni, whatever you have in your hand, cut it in small pieces, and a little bit of flour to help roll my dough. And I have olive oil. So this is pizza crust that I have. This is some salami cut in cubes. This is some turkey breast cut in pieces, small pieces. And this is green bell pepper. If you don't have it, that's fine, but I just like some crunchy stuff. And this is the pizza sauce. I add garlic powder and some herbs like Italian seasoning. And this is the shredded mozzarella. So this is how I do it. I roll my dough and I cut it in rectangular parts or square parts, if you like to say that. And what I'm gonna do is just like a pocket, like snack pizza. That's why I need two pizza crust. So I took the second half and I put the pasta sauce, and then I'm gonna add all my fillings that I need. Now I put the mozzarella cheese, and I'm gonna add the meat, then the vegetables. I'm gonna add another time the mozzarella cheese, and then as you see I can fold this one. I'm gonna fold it like this and seal the edges with the fork, and then put in the oven pan and then throw it in the oven. My oven is already on 350, but I'm gonna like do it on 400. This way I'm gonna have my snack or my pizza so fast. That's why I put all the filling in the end, the other half, the second half. So when I'm gonna fold it, it's gonna be easy for me. See? I'm just gonna get help with the fork and seal everything. All the way. Just to make sure that the filling don't come out. I dust my oven pan with a little bit of flour, but if you have waxing paper, you can put it. You can use it. See, it's easy. So now I'm gonna throw it in the oven. Right now, I will check my pizza. Yeah, it's done. The other ones are still there. I cut it in half. Now let me show you how it looks. So yummy. Of course you can add more sauce, any kind of meat or vegetables, or even jalapeno. Yeah, it's so good, easy to make, This is enough for 2 people. All right, so the remaining pizza are here. I just brush the top with olive oil so it can be like a little bit crispy, and I add mozzarella on the top just to give it some nice look, but it's still hot. I'm gonna take it and see how. All right, so this is it. You can serve it with this or with this, or you can make your own sauce